Hi everyone, this is CA Tanvi Sukhija and today I'll be explaining you about CA Foundation in a very detailed manner. But before we begin, if you are someone who is continuously juggling with your thoughts whether or not to pursue CA course in India, I would want you to watch my previous video in which I have explained everything about CA course in a very detailed manner, so that you can make an informed decision whether this course is for you or not and assess whether this is what you want for yourself or not. I am attaching the link of that video in the description box below as well. Let us now quickly jump on to the topic for today, which is CA Foundation. CA Foundation है क्या? CA Foundation is an entry level of exam for students who are in class 10th or 12th and want to pursue chartered accountancy as their career in India. If you want to register for CA Foundation, then you must score 50% or more marks in class 12th if you are from commerce background, or 55% or more marks in class 12th if you are from non-commerce background. Which means अगर आप commerce background से हो या नहीं हो, दोनों केस में ही आप CA pursue कर सकते हो. CA Foundation exams takes place twice a year, that is June and December. And you have to register on or before 1 January for June cycle and on or before 1 July for December cycle. CA Foundation exams consist of 4 papers. Paper 1, Principle and Practice of Accounting, which is basically the accounting syllabus which you have studied in class 11th and 12th. The syllabus for each of the subject will be set by the institute and will be provided to you in advance, and institute will also provide you with the study material which you will have to refer in order to clear the CA Foundation exam. Paper 2 is of Business Laws and Business Correspondence and Reporting, which is primarily divided into 2 categories, that is Business Laws and Business Correspondence and Reporting. In Business Law, you will have to study the acts which has been set by the institute in the syllabus of that subject. In Business Correspondence and Reporting, your knowledge will be tested on the basis of your English and your communication and your soft skills. Basically, it covers the professional email writing, resume creation, active and passive voice, essay writing, and such other things. Paper 1 and 2 are completely subjective in nature, and you will get a time frame of 3 hours in order to complete that paper. Paper 3, which is of Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics, which is basically to test your aptitude knowledge, and paper 4, which is of Business Economics and Business Commercial Knowledge, which again is divided into 2 components, that is Business Economics, in which you will study about macro and microeconomics, and Business and Commercial Knowledge, in which in this subject you will study all about business related things which you have studied in class 11th and 12th. Paper 3 and 4 are completely objective in nature, and you'll get a time frame of 2 hours each to complete these exams. Institute has set a criteria of negative marking in paper 3 and 4. That means 0.25 will be deducted for every wrong answer. In order to clear CA Foundation, you must score 40% or more marks in each subject and 50% or more marks in aggregate of the subject. If you have cleared CA Foundation with 70% or more marks, you will be called as passed with distinction. Now coming to the most asked question, that is whether one should take or not take the coaching for CA Foundation. The answer will be different based upon the needs of the student. If you are someone who can do self-study by referring to the institute materials, articles published by institute, or study materials available on the institute website, and you want to refer YouTube videos as well, then you should be going for self-study method only and referring the YouTube videos in order to grasp an understanding of each and every subject. But if you are someone who lacks consistency and wants practice in any particular subject, then you should go for private coaching in order to enhance your speed and consistency and to gain a good understanding of that topic. Now coming on to the question of how to register for CA Foundation. In order to register for CA Foundation, you have to visit the institute website, that is ICAI portal, and then go to the student tab, then go to course registration and then registration form selection. You will have to create a new user by entering the basic details which has been asked on the site, And by entering the basic detail, your user will be created on the ICAI portal, and then you will receive the login credentials. Once you have received your login credential, you have to log into the institute website and go to the student tab and then register for CA Foundation. Once you have filled in the basic details and attached the forms requested there, you will now be directed to the payment side. That is, you will have to pay a fees of rupees 10,900, which is divided into three components, that is registration fees, examination form fees and student journal fees for Indian student. In case you are foreign student, then you will have to pay a fees of $1,065 in order to register for yourself for CA Foundation. Once you have paid the fees as requested, then your registration form will be generated, which you will have to submit within 7 days of the generation along with other documents as requested. Other documents could be your passport size photograph, your class 10th mark sheet, your class 12th admit card or mark sheet as the case may be, and nationality proof in case you are a foreign student. Registration for CA Foundation is valid for a period of 3 years and can be revalidated any number of time for a period of 3 years by paying a fees of rupees 300. Once you have registered for CA Foundation, you will now receive your admit card 14 days prior to the examination or as per the date set by the institute, wherein you will get your details like center details and other details which will be mentioned on your admit card. If you are someone who is awaiting the result of class 12th examination, then also you can apply for CA Foundation on provisional registration basis. That means your admission to the CA course will only be regularized or modularized once you clear class 12th examination with the percentage criteria as set by the institute. In case you have any question, you can list down your question in the comment box below or reach out to me through LinkedIn. I am attaching the link to my LinkedIn profile in the description box below for your reference. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends so that it may benefit them as well. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon in order for you to get the notification of all other upcoming videos. That is it for today. Bye-bye.